Wondering if you should consider new construction in your home search? It's a great question to ask and one to look at from the pros and cons of what it means to buy a new home versus an existing home. Let's get right to it. Hello everyone, so happy to be here with you. This is Meral Ibrahim, broker associate with Coldwell Banker in the beautiful Palm Beaches, Florida. I've lived here for 40 years as a transplant from London, and I'm passionate about Wellington and the surrounding areas. If you're thinking about relocating to the Palm Beaches or retiring in the Palm Beaches, then this channel is for you. Come join me to discover everything about communities, lifestyles, and some real estate. If you've been here before, thank you and welcome back. If you love the Palm Beaches like I do, click on that subscribe button and hit that bell so you will be notified every time I make a video. Finding the right home to purchase today is one of the biggest challenges for buyers. With so few homes for sale and construction of newly built homes ramping up, here are the pros and cons of what it means to buy a new home versus an existing home. When it comes to housing, new construction has that never been touched attraction, while existing homes have character and maybe a story to tell. For every benefit of buying new construction and existing homes, there is a flip side. So let's take a look. Buying a new home allows you to select such things as the lot, the style of the home, floor plan, colors, cabinet, and flooring. You get to decide where to invest your money in terms of upgrades and where you feel comfortable with the standard features that come with the house. While new construction homes may cost more than similar existing homes, this is offset by lower maintenance and utility costs. Here's what I mean. A newly built home requires less maintenance since everything from appliances to the air conditioning system and roof are brand new. This means you have better control over your monthly home ownership expenses, knowing that you'll be spending less to maintain your home. The warranty that a builder provides on the home will protect your home for years to come and your need to undertake any major repairs. Add to this the energy efficiency that comes with new homes, and that translates into lower utility bills. When buying an existing home, you can negotiate with the current owner on price, which is something that you generally don't get to do with a builder. Builders know their material and construction costs, and they have a price set for the model that you're buying. So if you want to negotiate, then maybe an existing home will be best. For many families, having an established neighborhood is also important. Some buyers like to know their neighbors, if it's family friendly, and traffic patterns before making a decision. When you buy new construction, you won't have a full view of some of those details until the lots around you are sold. Buying new construction in a planned or master community will often include amenities like parks and community spaces that are close to schools and transit. Finally, timing comes into play. Are you on a specific timetable? Then buying an existing home versus new construction is usually a safer choice. What do I mean? Well, with an existing home, you can move in based on the timeline that you agree with the sellers. With new construction, you need to wait for the house to be built. And depending on the time of the year you're buying, the weather can also be a factor in the time frame. This is something really important to keep in mind, especially if you need to move sooner rather than later. Whether you want to buy new construction or one that's already established, both are great options. They each have their pros and cons, and every family will have different circumstances driving their decision. Whether you decide to build a new home or buy an existing home, it's a very exciting time. It's almost a guarantee that you will have many questions throughout the process. So it's extremely important that you have great representation when buying a home, even if you decide to build a new home. To obtain a complete home buyer's guide, just go to the link below. If you do have questions and want to know more about options in the Palm Beaches, Florida, leave it in the comments section below. If you liked this video, check out this one. And consider subscribing to this channel if you want to find out more about living in Florida, communities, and real estate in general. Thank you for joining me, and see you next time. Bye-bye.